Guys, welcome. I am gonna be sharing with you grandmother hair growth secret. Well, so let's dive right into the video. Here are the ingredients that I'm gonna be using in this DIY. So I am gonna start off with half cup of grape seed oil. Let the grape seed oil heat up real hot before adding in my fresh rosemary. Then I'm gonna go in with lavender. As you can see, the oil is super hot. Be careful. So each and every one of these ingredients that I'm using in this DIY, I already did wash it and clean it before using it, and I already do has a video on every one of them. So as you can see, I already did add in my chopped red onion, and I am going to go in with the fresh chopped aloe vera gel, and I am also going to add in my sliced potatoes. And guys, if you want to know the benefit and details about these ingredients that I use in this DIY, it's going to be in the description below. Make sure to deep fry your ingredients because we don't want no water sitting in this particular DIY. If you don't deep fry it, it's going to start stinking after 2 or 3 days. And also clean your container or bottle that you're going to be putting your ingredients in. And guys, after I am done preparing this DIY, I'm going to let it cool down before screening it. Then I am going to add in a couple of drops of tea tree oil, then few dry hibiscus flower. If you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below which one of these ingredients you tried it before, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.